What is open heart surgery? Imagine your heart, the size of your fist, working non-stop, pumping blood every second of your life. But what happens when the roads to your heart, your coronary arteries, get blocked? Today, we'll explore one of the most life-saving procedures in modern medicine, open heart surgery, or more specifically, coronary artery bypass surgery, CABG. Let's break it down, simply. Is bypass surgery needed? Your heart needs a continuous supply of oxygen-rich blood. This blood is delivered by coronary arteries. But sometimes, due to plaque buildup from cholesterol, smoking, or genetics, these arteries become narrowed or blocked. This can lead to chest pain, shortness of breath, or even a heart attack. Have you or someone you know dealt with heart disease? Let us know in the comments. What happens during bypass surgery? Coronary artery bypass surgery helps bypass the blocked artery using a healthy blood vessel from another part of your body, usually your leg, chest, or arm. Here's how it works. The patient is given general anesthesia. Surgeons open the chest, not the heart itself. The heart-lung machine takes over temporarily. A healthy vein or artery is grafted to reroute the blood around the blockage. Once the bypass is done, the heart is restarted and the chest is closed. What happens after surgery? After surgery, the patient is moved to the ICU, monitored closely. Breathing support and a urinary catheter may be in place temporarily. Within a few days, tubes are removed. Over the next 6 to 8 weeks, patients are advised to avoid lifting, eat heart-healthy food, and attend follow-ups. Like any major surgery, bypass surgery has risks, including bleeding, infection, irregular heartbeat, or kidney complications. People with diabetes, lung disease, or weak heart function need extra monitoring. But with good post-op care, rehab, and lifestyle changes, most patients recover well and enjoy a better quality of life. So, while open heart surgery might sound scary, it's one of the most successful and common procedures to restore heart health. If you found this helpful, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In our next video, we'll cover how to prevent heart blockage naturally. Until then, stay healthy and take care of your heart.